Hi, my name is Elisha Lewis, and today I'm going to demonstrate for you how to use the app Evernote. Now, Evernote is an app that has a wide variety of uses, but today I'm going to show you one way that I plan on using it next school year, which is to create student portfolios. So the first thing that you would do is have the students download this app, which is an elephant inside of a green box, and create their accounts. Once they've done this, of course, they would click on the app, and then they would create a new notebook by clicking on the plus sign at the top. My suggestion is to have them put their first and last name and also their home-based teacher if you have multiple classrooms. This way it'll be easier to keep them organized, and if a student has the same first and last name, which does happen often, it'll be easy to know which portfolio goes with who. So I'm just going to have it as the first and last name and home base, and then you click inside and you can begin creating your artifacts. The way that you create a new artifact is to hit the plus sign at the top, and one thing that you can do is perhaps have students create learning goals at the beginning of the school year. So I'm just going to add in a learning goal, and then they would just type in their ideas. Once they've done, it automatically saves, which is good. And then the next thing that you would possibly have them do is create another artifact of something that they've worked on during the semester. And they can actually go in and input a table perhaps, if you would like them to do that. And they can just add in any text that they would like. And notice all of your normal font tools are at the top, so you can add in different sizes, you can bold it, you can change the font color. All of that stuff is available through this app. Another possible way that you can add in artifacts is by possibly having the student add in something that they've already created. For example, this picture. Now, once it's added in, perhaps you would like them to describe for you what this demonstrates. So you can do that by clicking on the microphone and clicking on record, and the students can record their findings or record what it demonstrates as far as the learning goals. Once it's done, you would hit save and you can X out. And notice at the bottom here, there is a little note that shows that there is a recording that goes with it. Another good feature of this is that you can add in artifacts from other apps. For instance, if you have an iMovie saved, you can just go to the paperclip again, and here's my saved iMovie. You can open it up, and there it goes, already inside of there. And again, you can have the students maybe type a description of how this iMovie helped them to meet the learning goals. Now, once you've added in all of your artifacts, the students would then go in and share it. Now, notice on the left side, it automatically creates a table of contents so that you can find out, or you can already see what is in here. They'll share it by clicking on the share on the right side, and they can share the notebook with whomever they would like. So you can add in your email, or they can add in whomever's email they're sharing with. Okay, and however they would like to do that. And then what I have them do is put that the person can only view it instead of editing it. And then they'll hit send, and then it'll send to whomever they wish to share it with. Now, this is one way that you can use it, and again, I think that it's a very good use for it. In the new technology age, we're finding different ways to evaluate students, and this is one tool that is very useful in having an alternative method to evaluate students. I hope you enjoy.